What about Rahu? All these corporate people confuse a lot of people, especially their juniors or competitors. Do not confuse people. Do not play games where you are confusing people. Rahu wants to do it himself, but if you do it, Rahu is going to kill you. Do not give addictions to others. Do not force someone to smoke or drink. Do not take someone forcefully to a brothel. Don't do all these nonsense things, okay? You are making your Rahu really bad. Don't teach deception to people. Do not poison the mind and body of other people. And do not have bad electronics at home. ये मेरी याद है, पहला मोबाइल है मेरी लाइफ का, मैं उसको कभी नहीं बेचूंगा, अपने घर रखूंगा. You have really destroyed your Rahu. घर पे पुराने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, स्टोर में ऊपर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स पड़े हुए हैं पुराने, उसको डिस्पोज ऑफ ही नहीं कर रहे. पुराने पुराने कपड़े पड़े हैं, टूटे हुए कप पड़े हैं. You're not disposing them off. You're destroying, you're activating your Rahu every single day. आपके घर में आपके बच्चे आपको धोखा देंगे, आपका पति आपको धोखा देगा, आपकी वाइफ आपको चीट करेगी, आपके नौकर आपको चीट करेंगे, आपके एम्प्लॉइज आपको चीट करेंगे, आपके घर पे काम करने वाला जो आया वो आपको चीट करके जाएगा, वो आपको मिसयूज करेगा. इफ यू हैव दीज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एट होम, and if they are really so much, you can get into a disease called cancer. राहु कैंसर देता है. Keep your home clean. Don't have these gadgets and electronics that doesn't work. How to make Rahu good? Protect animal related organizations. Dog shelters. वहां पे जाके पैसा दो. Bird shelters. Donate money in the zoo for the maintenance of zoo. Do not deceive others. Don't be deceptive. Be honest. Be technically good. Those people say, I don't know how to use this mobile, or I don't know how to use this laptop or a computer. Upgrade yourself. The day you upgrade yourself technically, you are enhancing your Rahu. It's a natural remedy for Rahu. Keep on upgrading yourself. अगर मुझे Zoom चलाना ना आए, मुझे रिकॉर्डिंग करनी ना आए, मुझे आप लोगों के साथ स्क्रीन शेयर करनी ना आए, मुझे वीडियोस में ग्राफिक्स डालने ना आए, will I be with this world? I did my entire schooling without computers, but I can still handle all the computers. With the time period, I've become tech savvy. When you become tech savvy, you are enhancing your Rahu. So don't give these excuses to yourself and to your children कि मुझे ये चलाना नहीं आता, करना नहीं आता. From 2 days, my computer is down. I'm trying my level best to take almost 90% classes I took. Morning, something happened to my Zoom. Screen sharing was gone. Everything was gone. That is why I had to miss the Vastu class. But then I rectified in the afternoon. Respect gadgets. फोन बेड पे फेंक दिया, फोन कहीं पड़ा हुआ है, आपका उसका प्रोटेक्टर टूट गया है, वो 15 दिन से टूटा ही हुआ है, कवर टूट गया, आपने चेंज नहीं करवाया, प्रोटेक्टर टूट गया है, उस पे लाइंस आई हुई हैं, चेंज नहीं करवाया, टूटी हुई स्क्रीन के साथ फोन चला रहे हो. यू आर डिस्ट्रॉइंग योर राहु. राहु के पास कैपेबिलिटी है इंटेलिजेंस और पैसा देने की. घर पे टीवी टूटा हुआ है, एक लाइन आ गई टीवी में, बच्चे ने कुछ मार दिया था, टीवी वैसे ही चल रहा है, फ्रिज वैसे ही चल रहा है, माइक्रो उल्टा सीधा है. जस्ट डिस्पोज ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. आइदर यू हैव इट और यू डोंट हैव इट. इफ यू हैव इट इन द परफेक्ट वे. फोन का प्रोटेक्टर टूट जाता है, फोन की स्क्रीन टूट जाती है, आप साल साल चलाते रहते हैं, जब पैसे आएंगे स्क्रीन आपकी लात टूट जाए तो इमीडिएटली इलाज करवाओगे ना आप. Upgrade your phone every 2 years, upgrade your AirPods, upgrade your cars every 4-5 years. Don't give me this crap that you're going to have your car for 15-20 years. You are not growing in life. I like this model, I like this design. This is all crappy things. The new designs and new models are much more better. When you buy a new car, you enhance your Venus. When you buy a car which has a lot of technology like Tesla, you are enhancing your Venus and Rahu. If you are a Daitya Lagan Kundi, you must do all these things. Wherever your Rahu is, golden line for Rahu. You are so possessive about that house. आप उस चीज को छोड़ नहीं सकते. आप मर तो सकते हो लेकिन उस चीज को नहीं छोड़ सकते जहां पे आपका राहु बैठा है. If your Rahu is in the 10th house, you are so possessive about your work. Rahu in the 4th house, possessive about mother, home, cars. Rahu in the 2nd house, you are possessive about your taste buds. You're very, very selective about your taste buds. You're very, 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 very possessive about your family, kutumb, for the wealth. Not the money, but the wealth. 8th house, you're possessive about your in-laws, extended family, Jyotisha, occult sciences, life insurances, 8th house. Be very careful about it. You can't miss it. 12th house, Rahu, you would love to go abroad. There's a hidden talent that you will always try to promote. You would love meditation. अगर आपको एक बार meditation का taste लग गया ना, the blood of meditation, you've tasted it, you will never leave meditation. If you have Rahu in the 12th. You have to meditate on planets to understand the nature of planets. You have to be a good observer.